The Carbon Footprint Tracker is a new feature within the Westpac app, and it builds on recent money management and budgeting tools which we've given to customers. Basically, the Carbon Footprint Tracker looks at your spending against an industry sector and calculates your carbon footprint against that. We've partnered with a fintech called Kogo, who are experts in this sustainability calculator. What we're doing is we're actually integrated that into the app, and as you spend, it assigns a carbon footprint, a total carbon footprint based on the categories and the industry averages of those categories. That information's good, but you're probably like, well, what do I do with this? You can then track that against the average Australian individual and the average Australian household to know how you compare with that. Feedback from our pilot was that this information was super useful and really invoked that curiosity that we wanted customers to have, but it was the so what or where to go. So we're excited to announce that we're launching a sustainable living hub as well to go alongside the carbon footprint tracker. And that will give all of our customers tips and tools and resources on how they can live a more sustainable life and ultimately reduce their carbon footprint. Westpac's on its own journey to reduce its impact and its direct footprint as well. But this is a broader topic and a broader conversation. We wanted to do more. And our customers have been telling us that sometimes they feel like passengers on this journey and they don't actually know what their carbon footprint is. And so we're excited to be able to show that data to customers if they choose, to invoke that curiosity, that questioning, and really start this really broad two-way dialogue with our customers.